This video tutorial I will explain what is an IP address and port number. IP address is nothing but Internet Protocol address. An IP address is like unique home address for every device on the internet. IP address is a series of numbers that helps computers to find and communicate with another computer in the internet. Just as every house has a distinct street address, every device connected to the internet, like your computer or smartphone, has a unique IP address. IP addresses are used to identify and locate the devices on the internet. And IP address ensure the data and the information reach the correct destination. IP addresses are come in two main types. The first one is IPv4 address. The second one is IPv6 address. IPv4 is nothing but Internet Protocol version 4. IPv6 is nothing but Internet Protocol version 6. IPv4 addresses are look like this. Here you can see the example. And IPv6 addresses are longer. And here you can see the example. In this analogy, each house in the street is equivalent to each computer in the internet. And address of the house is equivalent to IP address. Now we will see what is a port number. We can think of a port like a specific entrance or door in the large building. In the computer world, port is a designated number that helps the data to find the right entrance on the device. And devices have multiple ports, like building may have many entrances. Each port is used for different types of communication or services. For example, web browsing often uses port number 80 and email services may use port number 25. Each port is like room where specific type of information or service is handled. In this analogy, house is equivalent to computer, address of the house is equivalent to IP address, port number is equivalent to room or entrance. So in simple terms, IP addresses are like unique addresses for devices on the internet and ports are like different doors or entrances on those devices, each serving a specific purpose. Together they ensure the data gets to the right place on the internet and the data is handled by right service or application. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.